Hey guys, Ed here. Today we're checking out the ES150 mini tank water heater from Thermomate. Inside the box you get the water heater itself, a user's guide, some mounting hardware, and a pressure release valve. Usually I'd say let's plug this thing in and see what it can do, but this is the first part of a future project that I have, maybe two projects. On one side of our house we have the hot water tank, and on the other end of the house is where we use most of the hot water. With all that distance, the water cools down a little bit if we aren't using the hot water. So we have to let the faucet run for a minute or so until all the cold water gets through the pipes, and then the hot water starts coming through again. Next year we're going to have some plumbing work done, and while they're down there I'm going to have them install this in line down at that end of the house, so we'll have instant access to hot water for like when we're taking a bath and we need a little bit more hot water. We don't have to wait a whole minute and a half for the cold water to rush through and then hot water to come in, and for those bathroom sinks to have instant access to hot water as well. Another project we're going to be doing is having our septic redone, and while we're digging up stuff out there, I'm going to put a pipe all the way from our outbuildings into the septic. That way I can get a sink out there and have hot and cold running water. One of the main things I like about this water heater is that it has a freeze protection setting, and so even though it gets negative degrees out here in the wintertime, this water heater will not freeze when it's not in use. Setting this up should be pretty easy to do. We have where the cold water comes in here, hot water comes out here. We have our plug for the wall outlet and a threaded pressure release valve, so we can stick a hose onto here and run any of the excess water from pressure buildup out into a drain somewhere. So we're going to have more on this project probably after income tax refunds come in, and I'll do another video then showing you this thing in action. In the description below I will leave a link to this on Amazon, but if you want to get it from Thermomate's website themselves, they gave us a 10% off code, and I will put that information in the description below as well. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.